Hey guys! Today I want to unbox the Lord of the Rings X Glamlight collection. We have the palette that comes like this. Lip reviving treatment. So it comes with a lip scrub. Rivendell lip kit. The Eye of Sauron lip kit. And we also have a highlighter.